Uh, Bhisham Wadhera, Chief Executive Officer with Godfrey Phillips, joins us now. Good afternoon. Thank you for joining us. I just have your initial numbers. Could you walk us through that? Why these numbers don't look that impressive?
I beg your pardon?
No, I'm just trying to analyze your numbers, and the numbers are not looking very impressive. Is this largely because of the GST adjustment?
Yes, we had a very poor quarter, the first quarter last year, because in June we practically sold nothing. And in fact, our Q1 last year, we actually recorded a loss. But post that, we have bounced back, and we posted an 18% better profit than last year, which is pretty good to my mind.
Are you losing market share to ITC, or this is a one-time aberration which you are likely to recover from in FY19?
One-time aberration, because if you look at our April performance, we've actually gained 2 percentage points from ITC. So this year is looking promising, and we're off to a very good start.
What is volume growth like in this particular quarter?
We should be up by about 18% over last year.
So in millions, I think that is how cigarette sales are counted, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. But in millions,
Correct.
That's how you that's how you measure cigarette
So
sales.
last year our first quarter was about 660 million. This quarter we should be about 720 million.
What is stage 2 for Godfrey Phillips? Now, there was a buzz couple of years ago that the FDI in the tobacco sector would be increased, but the decision has been taken by the government that there is going to be no increase. So independently, we keep on hearing rumors that Godfrey Phillips is on the block, the promoters are looking at selling out. Can we just dismiss all those rumors?
Well, these rumors happened about 2 years ago. So, I mean, that's history as far as we are concerned. And as far as FDI is concerned, there is no decision either contrary or in favor. So that still hangs. But even if that decision comes, our tie-up with Philip Morris is already grandfathered, so we don't see that getting affected.
It's rare that we get to interact with you on television, so I'll take the liberty of asking you a couple of follow-up questions. There was also a buzz that you were looking at monetizing your land back in Mumbai. Is there truth in that?
Yes, we are looking at various options of what to do with our Andheri plot. We haven't come to a decision, but we're looking at both commercial as well as residential. So I think it'll take us about 7 to 8 months to take a final call on that.
What is the value of that real estate? Because each time I cross Andheri, I see this big parcel of land, and it's a very big parcel, I must say.
It's about 6.5 acres, so that's not too big.
I'm sorry, what size did you mention?
6.5 acres.
6.5 acres, but 6.5 acres will not be large, but 6.5 acres in Andheri is very valuable.
Yes, it will be. Now, it depends on whether we want a one-time sale or whether we want to monetize it over a longer period of time. So the valuation will change accordingly.
Books, what is the value? What is the accounted value of the piece of land?
I don't have the figure off the cuff, so I really won't give it to us. Oh, it's pretty big.
And will the land be monetized within Godfrey Phillips, or because there was also a plan that you are looking at, moving the land into some other company, and that company is going to be doing land development?
No. If it happens, it will happen under Godfrey Phillips.
Okay. Back to Godfrey Phillips' core business. Are you looking at some new category launches of some of your premium, brands in order to gain market share, in order to come back with something new and different?
See, as far as premium market is concerned, we have a tie-up with Philip Morris, and we are largely dependent on Marlboro to take care of that segment. I think the other growth avenues for us is going to be our retail stores of 24/7. I think that's going to be expanding at a very, very rapid pace. We are adding roughly 2 or 3 stores a week. So that's going to be a big gainer for us over the next couple of years.
So broadly, you're saying that you're working a lot on a distribution network.
No. We have a chain of retail stores in India called 24/7.
Okay. Oh, I must have missed.
We've got about 65 stores, and we're adding almost 3 a week. So that's going to be a big bet as far as we are concerned over the next 2 years.
Okay, just one last follow-up question from my side. When you say that the GST one-time impact is behind you, what are you trying to indicate? Will it be back to your normal growth pattern, or it will take at least 1 or 2 quarters before you're back to your normal growth pattern?
No, we are back to our growth pattern. And we've been back. I mean, the fact that despite GST, we posted an 18% growth in profit last year, and we are very much on track this year to make it even better. So all I can say is bad times are behind us.
Right. Mr. Wadhera, we'll leave it at that. Thanks very much for joining us and giving us those details on your numbers. Once again, appreciate you being candid with us.